is letter A, big A, little B. Its sounds are as in ant. This is letter B, big B, little B. It sounds ba as in balloon. This is letter C, big C, little C. It sounds coo as in cuddled. This is letter D, big D, little D. It sounds poo as in drum. This is letter E, big E, little E. It sounds A as in elephant. This is letter F, big F, little F. It sounds foo as in fish. This is letter G, big G, little G. It sounds Ju as in giraffe. This is letter H, big H, little H. It sounds who as in hat. This is letter I, big I, little I. It sounds I as in ice cream. This is letter J, big J, little G. It sounds Ju as in juice. This is letter K, big K, little K. It sounds poo as in kite. This is letter L, big L, little L. It sounds L as in lion. This is letter M, big N, little M. It sounds moo as in moon. This is letter N, big N, little M. It sounds moo as in nest. This is letter O, big O, little O. It sounds O as in orange. This is letter P, big P, little P. It sounds P as in pencil. This is letter Q, big Q, little Q. It sounds Q as in queen. This is letter R, big R, little R. It sounds W as in rainbow. This is letter S, big S, little S. It sounds E as in sun. This is letter T, big T, little T. It sounds Q as in turtle. This is letter U, big B, little U. It sounds boo as in umbrella. This is letter B, big B, little B. It sounds boo as in violin. This is letter W, big W, little W. It sounds R as in watermelon. This is letter X, big X, little X. It sounds Z-I as in xylophone. This is letter Y, big Y, little I. It sounds U as in yo-yo. This is letter Z, big Z, little Z. It sounds Z as in zebra.
Numberland! The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way to Numberland. The children on the bus go, we want more, we want more, we want more. The children on the bus go, we want more, all through the day.
Let's go see the numbers.
Welcome to Numberland!
One wagon, sitting quietly in the green garden. Two squirrels climbing high up the number 2. 3 chicks chirping softly inside the wooden barn. 4 trucks working hard at the construction site. 5 lions playing in the heat of the wide savannah. 6 balls scattered across the sunny playground. 7 lanterns glowing gently in the evening yard. 8 buckets waiting by the waves on the sandy beach. 9 flowers blooming bright in the garden soil. 10 balloons swaying slowly in the afternoon park.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, down we go to Color Valley. The baby on the bus says fun, 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 fun. The baby on the bus says fun, 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 all through the town.
Welcome to Color Valley.
Red color, red fire truck. Bye. Blue color. Blue ball. Yellow color. Yellow star. Yay! Green color. Green leaf. Brown color. Brown teddy bear. Orange color. Orange carrot. Purple color. Purple grape. Yummy! Pink color. Pink flower. Color black. Cute Caddy. Color white. White snowflakes. Merry Christmas.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Up we go to Shape City. The children on the bus go yay, 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 yay. The children on the bus go yay, yay, yay. Shapes make the world fun.
Welcome to Shape City! The big round circle rolls the coins. The blue square stacks up the tiles. Triangle has yummy cheese slices. Rectangle road for the little buses. Star tower has yummy cookies. The heart garden grows tasty fruits. Down at Oval Lake we see the pebbles. Diamond Plaza flying colorful kites. Pentagon Fort is guarding with shields. And Hexagon has wiggling tiles.
Yay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Off we go to Sound Forest. We'll meet animals big and small today. Hear their sounds as we learn and play. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the day.
Welcome to Sound Forest!
Big lion, small cub. It says, big elephant, small cow. It says, bye. Mother duck, baby duckling. It says, mama cat, baby kitten. It says, mommy dog, baby puppy. It says, mama cow, baby calf. It says, mommy sheep, baby lamb. It says, mommy horse, baby foal. Thank you for watching. Bye.